Hi guys. Well, we're going to start a project today. Necessity is the mother of all inventions. So we have a necessity. We need this stuff made, so we're going to try to invent it. Well, we're not really inventing. We're just duplicating. I need some big brackets, L brackets, for my milling, my horizontal boring mill. And there's kind of a picture of what I want to end up with. It's my drawings anyway. I don't know if that's going to be the way it ends up, but anyway, this is a 1.25 inch plate steel, and we're using this track torch, which is an old Oxweld torch. I have no idea how old it is, but it has a motor in it and it's powered. And right here you can change the rheostat. It's inches per minute. So I kind of got it set up, and I'm going to see if we can make some cuts for you. Alright, so we're ready to make a cut. I did a test cut on this end because I wanted to straighten this out because it wasn't very nice. So our first cut is going to go up to that line. So let's get started, I guess. We have to get a little preheat in this, and then we can start cutting. My torch needs a little work on it. That's why it pops when you shut it off. It's not seating correctly. The valve's not shutting, it's settling off basically. So now we're going to make a long cut, but we're not starting at the end out here. We're going to start right here in the middle, and you'll see and find out later. So Now we'll get set up and make our second piece. All right, now we're ready to make our next cut, and you'll see why I cut that one out of the middle, because now we can save this big chunk here. So we're trying to save material. So we got our two pieces cut. I got to cut, these will be the base. Got two more pieces to cut. And here's how the flux comes off, as you see. And there's the cut. Get it set right, it does a pretty good job. So those two will be the base. Now I got to cut two more 26 inches long off of this end of the plate. So now we're making one of our long cuts. I decided I'd do this one so you can see. I'll do this one handheld. And there you go. Well, here you go, guys. Here's the finished product. I didn't film a lot of this because I really didn't have time, and I really needed these things done, and a lot of it was just drilling holes in a drill press. So anyway, here's the finished product for now. The way I got it planned, eventually I have this one job I have to get done right now, and they're good enough for now, but eventually I have these built and designed so they will go into the shaper, and to get finished machined, I'll machine all the surfaces. I'll machine the sides down, the bottom, the front, so everything's good and true with the world, you know. So we're going to take a little, I'll take you off the tripod and we'll take a little walk around here so I can kind of show you better of what I did do and explain to you why I did that also. Well, now we got a little better close-up view of everything. This will be the base down here, and I've got 4 holes down there, which will line up on my boring mill. Let's go to this one. And I put, these are 13, excuse me, 13/16 holes through here for 3/4 inch bolts. And then if you see right here, we've got a bolt sticking out. And down below, we have another bolt sticking out. These are what I'm calling pushers, because the part that goes in and I'm going to be working on is not the same all the way up or down. Now with these pushers, I can push them one way or the other to square the part up in the mill, because then on the back side, you see I have a nut so I can push them out and lock it. So these are going to be the pushers, and the holes I can use for pullers to clamp it in after I have it lined up in the right direction. Something else I did was I added these pipes in here. I kind of split the difference between the length of these uprights, and I put these 2 pipes in here just to stiffen it up and make it look a little better. It looks a little more finished, I think. And I thought, well, these things are 1.25 inches thick, 4.5 inches wide. They're not exactly light. Well, it'd be kind of nice to have some way to pick these up and handle them. So as an added bonus, now we have a hook that we can swing our crane into and hook into that pipe and pick them up and move them around that way. So we're going to show you that now. I'll put you back on the tripod so you can watch that. Oh, I missed it. There we go. Now, just for guessing, that don't work too bad. You know, a guy could have played with that and got it so it picked up perfectly level, but gosh, it don't take nothing to level them out. So I think that worked out really well. So I guess that's it for this video. I see I went past 2,000 subscribers this week, which is kind of surprising, but oh well. So thanks to all my new subscribers, and maybe we'll get to see some more of these angle brackets in a future video. Because probably when I get them on the shaper, I'll do another video of machining all these things down. That should be a pretty good one. So see you later.